One of the domains in the DOST Scholarship Examination is logical reasoning. And under logical reasoning, there is verbal and non-verbal reasoning. For today, we will be discussing verbal reasoning. Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Jin of TeachTalk, where learning is fun and easy. If this is your first time watching our videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so you get notified on our next videos. As I've said in our intro, I will be discussing about verbal reasoning today. We will be answering 10 items which will test your skills in this domain. Verbal reasoning tests your ability to understand, analyze, and interpret information. It also measures your ability to extract meaning from complex information and to think logically and analytically. Let's start with verbal reasoning. We will be answering 10 items under this domain. Are you ready? Let's start. Number 1. If apple is to BQQMF, then mouse is to blank. A. FQJBO, B. NPVTF, C. MBHNB, D. SBJSZ. What do you think is the correct answer? Do you already have an answer? Okay, keep it to yourself first. Let's analyze the given analogy. The word apple is paired with BQQMF. If you can notice, the letter A is paired with letter B, which comes after it. So A is paired with B. Then P is paired with Q, which is the letter that comes after it. Then another P is paired with Q. Letter L is paired with M. And letter E is paired with F. Using the same analogy, what do you think is the pair for the word mouse? Let's check if your answer is correct. The correct answer is B, NPVTF. Why is B the correct answer? What letter comes after M? What letter comes after O? What letter comes after U? How about letter S? Lastly, what letter comes after letter E? So the correct answer is NPVTF. Let's proceed to the next item. If small is to minuscule, then tall is to blank. A. Towering, B. Huge, C. Squat, D. Stumpy. Let's start by defining each of the choices. Stumpy means short and thick. or raw or bare. Is the word crude the opposite of the word dirty? They may not mean the same thing, but they are certainly similar to each other. So, among the choices presented, the word dirty is opposite to the word A, tidy. Did you get the correct answer? Okay, very good. Now, let's proceed to the last item, number 10. If chick is to chicks, then sheep is to blank. A, sheep. B, sheep. C, sheep. D, shep. Do you have an answer? Okay, take note of your answer and keep it to yourself first. Let's analyze the first pair of words, which are chick and chicks. If you just take a look at them, you might notice that the word chicks is just the plural form of the word chick. So the relationship between them is that the second word is the plural form of the first word. If we apply the same thing to the word sheep, what do you think is the plural form of sheep? Some of you may be wrong in this item because we are dealing with an irregular noun. Sheep is an example of an irregular noun. Because when we determine the plural form of sheep, it is still sheep. It doesn't change. So when you refer to one sheep or 10 sheep, you use the word sheep still. Here are some examples of irregular nouns and their plural forms. That ends our first set of items about verbal reasoning. If you got a perfect score, comment down below. I hope you learned something from this video. Watch out for our next videos to learn more about the DOST examination. Again, this is Teacher Jane of TeachTalk, where learning is fun and easy. Bye guys! Study well!